Hello everyone, this is Miss Chen Fei. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rocket with an envelope or kind of a card. You can move this rocket up and down. For the supplies, you will need some glue, a Sharpie, a pencil, a pair of scissors, an eraser, something to color, and here I have 2 pieces of cardstock. If you do not have cardstock, regular paper would work. First, we are going to fold our paper like a hot dog folding. Then we are going to unfold the paper and fold the paper again. We're only going to fold half of the paper. You may choose either your left side or your right hand side. And then we are going to draw a super tiny and long rectangle. And then we're going to cut the rectangle off, so you should have a very tall capital I. For the strip we cut off, do not throw it away. We will need it later when we make the bar. Now you should have your paper with a big rectangle in the middle. For the next step, we are going to make the bar. You can pull your rocket up and down. You are going to use the other piece of the cardstock and then draw a piece of long rectangle. It's about the same size like the one we cut off earlier, but make sure it has to be taller than that rectangle. And for the top, you are going to either make a rectangle or a triangle shape so you can pull the bar up and down. After you cut the bar, please put the bar back to the paper we folded earlier. Make sure it's longer than the envelope we had. Now we are going to draw the rocket. You may design your rocket any shape you like, or you may copy what I have here. I always use a pencil to do a sketch first, and when I'm satisfied with the sketch, I will use a Sharpie to trace the outline. You may skip this step to trace the outline of your rocket. You can just go ahead, color your rocket any color you like. I choose to trace the outline because I feel it makes my design look nice and clear, and also I can fix some mistakes when I did with the pencil, when I trace with marker, but feel free to do what you feel comfortable. After you're done with tracing, you may cut the outside of the rocket. I chose color pencil to do the coloring part. You may use anything you have at home, markers, watercolor, washable pen, crayons, oil pastel, they all work. We will glue the rocket at the very bottom of the bar. Here, I measured the space first. I also use a pencil to mark a little dot so I know where I can put glue later. You may copy the same steps, but make sure you want to measure everything and before you do the final gluing part. After you put the glue on, make sure you hold it in your hands for about 5 seconds, and then we are going to leave the rocket and the strip on the side to dry. Especially if you use liquid glue, make sure they are completely dry before we move on to next step. In the meantime, you may start to make some design and drawing for the envelope, which is also the pocket we are going to put the rocket on. Here, I want to do the surface where the rocket landed first, and then up in the air, and then finally to the space. For the lower of the sky, I have some light blue and some white clouds. When it's getting taller, especially in the space, it will be completely black. So I was thinking to have some dark blue and purplish color and then all the way go to black. And with the dark sky, I also choose to do some stars, and especially when the rocket is in the space, I want to draw some other planets at the same time. quick tip for you, when you have some stars already done, like light yellow, and then you want to color the background dark blue, even black, it is better if you use dark blue and the black, trace the outline of the star first, and then color. In that case, you won't necessarily color over the star and then the star will disappear. Now we are done with the envelope, which is outside pocket for your rocket. Before we glue the pocket, we want to make sure we put the rocket in and then see if it works. Especially you want to pull the strip up and down, make sure everything goes smooth. If it works well, you may start the final step, which is close the pocket with glue. Here you need to pay attention. We are not going to glue the whole piece of paper completely. We only put the glue on the edge. So if you're like me, I'm only going to put some glue on the right hand side and at the bottom. Make sure you hold your envelope for a couple seconds. Now you may pull your rocket up and down. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See you next time.